thinking about, the one thing you can live without. Yeah, I'm the girl you've been waiting for.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley Brooke, known as Ashley Brooke Beauty. So make sure you hit the like and subscribe to tune into more videos. But in this video, we are going to be talking about magnetic lashes and do they really work? So if you guys are interested to see if magnetic lashes really work, then please continue to watch because this is my first impression video. So I have never worked with magnetic lashes before. I've heard tons of reviews about them, but we're gonna hop into it to see if it really does work. So I stopped by Ulta. I'm always in Ulta and I'm always noticing what's new and what's not. So of course I see this magnetic lashes. These are made by Ardell Professional and it says right here on the packaging, magnetic lashes. So we're gonna get to it and we're gonna try these bad boys on. So as you can see in the packaging, you're gonna see one part that will say upper, which is this part right here. And then you're gonna get one part that says lower. So again, I know it's hard to tell with all my lights and the reflection, but you have the uppers over here and the lowers down here. We'll say upper, under. It gives you a little quick thing in the back. It will show you like step 1, apply the upper, and step 2, connect with the under. So we're again gonna do these together. These are reusable, so hopefully I can get up to a lot of times with them because I love lashes, girl. I spend so much money on lashes. Ugh, ridiculous. But it says on the packaging, easy to apply, no adhesive needed, reusable. So you know what? Screw that. We're gonna get to it. So I have regular mascara on my lashes now. I didn't even put on eyeliner today, literally. I just came from the gym. I threw on a little bit of glitter and some mascara and it looked like, hey, I didn't go to the gym today, but I did. So that's why I'm in a tank top. But, you know, I keep it real. So here we go. We're gonna try them. Should get some music in the background. Alright, so they are secured pretty good. I don't want to rip them, but so I'm trying not to get confused. So I think I'm going to say the packaging so I know which is up, which is down. So that is my upper, and this is my under. Now it says on the box to apply the upper first. Oh, it's sticking to my mirror. The upper first, and then connect with the bottom. So this side looks like it is the right side. So I'm just going to swing my mirror this way so you guys can see. So I'm going to apply here and apply underneath. Ooh. Whoa. This is weird. I don't know if I'm liking it. Okay, apply here, connect underneath. So you do have to play around with it a little bit. It looks like, in my observing, you have to put your real lashes in between the fake lash. Wow, this is like freaking hard. You know, I put real lashes on every single day as a living, and I can't even put freaking magnetics on. All right, let's try this again because I fucked up. So this is the top, and then this is the bottom, and it's top, connect, connect. Oh, I think I got it. Oh shit. Okay, so I got one eye on. What do I think so far? I think this shit is extremely hard. And this is coming from someone who puts on eyelashes literally every single day. I like how it makes it look really, really full. I only did one eye, so it's hard to tell. I have to do the other eye. So again, for me, I'm going to start with the top. And then connect underneath. And make sure my real lash is in between. This is so hard. It really is like the hardest thing ever. I honestly, I'm probably gonna just use glue to apply the top and then just connect it underneath with the bottom. Because I don't understand how you can like hold and then press. Fuck me. Alright, Ardell, we're having some difficulties. Help me out. Alright, well, here is the magnetic lashes. Overall view. I think this shit was extremely difficult. Like, extremely difficult. But I love the way it looks. Like, I absolutely love the thickness and fullness of it. But I hate the way that you have to try to put it on because it's so freaking hard. So what I will say is, probably next time when I do use these, which will probably be tomorrow, I am going to apply the glue on the top strip only and glue it on so I have an easier base to work with when I connect the bottom lash, magnetic lash, to the top magnetic lash. Because honestly, it's so hard to just like hold one lash with one hand and then try to connect it with the other lash in the other hand. Like, that shit is like fucking, you need the Olympics of eyelashes to do that. Because that, for me, was hard. And I wear eyelashes every day for like the past like 10-15 years. And I had trouble with this. So yes, it will probably take practice if you're someone completely new to lashes. If you have been a pro like me for a long time, you'll still need a lot of practice because this was like freaking riding a bike. Like, it just kept falling. My lashes kept freaking falling. But I love the thickness of them. Like, woo. Girl, looks like I got extensions. What you calling fake? But yeah. So I do like the lashes. I think the concept of it is really cool. But it's extremely hard. Extremely hard. So yeah, I recommend to glue the eyelash first, like the top one, and then just without glue connect the bottom one. That will probably be the most easiest way to do it. But yeah, not bad. Not bad. Now, if I were going out, all I need is like eyeliner, a little bit more smoky of a look, maybe some more highlight. In the meantime, my lip gloss will be lit right now. Yeah, this is an amazing lip gloss. This is by Pure. So yeah. So this is the final look for the eyelashes that I applied. Again, I do like them, but I recommend you use the top part with glue to help you balance better before connecting the bottom. So yeah, that's my final thoughts on the magnetic strip lashes. So if you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more videos, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.